Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to check for updates in Chrome on your PC. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Then you have to simply come down below right here, all the way down, and then make sure you go to Help. Then from Help, simply go to about Google Chrome, and it's going to open up and load up to this particular page. Right here, Chrome is up to date. If you need to update your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to simply click on Update Chrome Browser right here. And in a few seconds, the new update latest version is going to download and install on your Chrome browser. From there, you continue enjoying Chrome for a fast browsing experience. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.